experience facial spa at home. Hey dolls, I'm Abby and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you my newly discovered facial spa at home. Glamskin Manila sent this package and I will be sharing what is inside this kit and how I also do my facial spa at home. To know more about this product, then keep on watching. So, since nagkaroon tayo ng pandemic and hindi tayo makalabas, and syempre, yung safety pa rin natin, yung kailangan nating i-prioritize. But, paano naman yung skincare natin, diba? So, paano naman tayo makapunta sa derma, makakapunta sa mga skin clinic, magpa-facial, retouch, or facial spa? Yan yung mga ilan sa mga worries ko before. But now, Glamskin Manila sent me this Pristine Skin Buddy kit. Well, na-open ko na talaga to and I've been using this product for almost a month now and I can say na talagang sobrang effective and ganda niya sa akin. At ito yung package ng Pristine Skin Buddy. Pag in-open mo naman siya, ay, open. So, ito yung box ng kit ng Pristine Skin Buddy. And then, meron na siyang kasamang towel from Glamskin Manila. Inopen mo siya. Kasama nito, yung Pristine Skin Buddy. Meron din siyang ibang color, pero what I have is the color red. And then, ito yung box niya. May kasama na siyang adapter pang charge. Ayan. Meron din siyang instruction kit and meron din siyang kasamang warranty card. Let's proceed with the product features. This is how the Glamskin Manila Pristine Skin Buddy looks like. So, as you can see, meron siyang Glamskin Manila logo. Texture is silicone. And ito, this one is silicone. And then, ito yung logo ng Glamskin Manila. Tapos, meron siyang mga buttons dito. So, we will be discussing yung mga function yung mga yan later. Pristine Skin Buddy is also waterproof. Kahit mabasa siya or gagamitin mo siya using your facial wash or facial foam, pwede siya. Claims to have a faster absorption sa mga skincare na nilalagay natin like serums, creams. You can submerge this to water for 30 minutes. Use Pristine Skin Buddy to any part of your body, especially on your face. But ako ginagamit ko lang talaga siya sa face ko. Then meron siyang brush, parang brush. Malambot naman siya kaya hindi mo susugatan yung face mo kapag ginamit mo siya using your favorite, your preferred facial foam or facial wash. Ayan. So, itong product na to, it has 2 minutes threshold time whenever you apply the product. You would know that the process is done, automatically turn off in 2 minutes. Please, hindi ka masasobrahan sa paggamit ng product na to. And, ang maganda pa rito is that wala siyang pinipiling skincare. You can use any type of skincare talagang hiyang sa'yo. Again, it doesn't require a specific skincare brand, skincare type. So, kahit ano, basta hiyang ka, pwede. Gamit ko siya kapag naghihilamos ako. So, when I use my preferred facial wash, ginagamit ko siya. And I will show you how I use it. Nalagay ko siya dito. Kung paano ko ginagamit itong Pristine Skin Buddy using this part. So, pag facial wash yung i-apply ko sa face ko, itong merong brush or bristles ba yung tawag dito. Ayan. Ito yung ginagamit ko na part. And, ganyan. Tapos, iti-turn on ko lang siya. So, ito. Tapos, magbibilik na siya. And then, pwede kang mamili kung anong color yung, kung anong color na preferred mo. So, every color has designated features. Siya, na color red siya. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan yung red. So, dito ka mamimili ng color. Blue. Green. Intensity ng vibration. So, pwede kang mamili dyan kung ganong ka-intense yung gusto mo na vibration. Ayan siya. So, let's discuss the Pristine Skin Buddy color features. Color red, yung pipiliin mo, it regenerates collagen to make skin smoother and younger. So that's the function of the red light. Blue light naman is a treatment for acne. So if you have acne-prone skin, then better na if you'll be using this Pristine Skin Buddy, piliin mo yung blue na light. Also promotes the synthesis of protein and collagen. Yung blue ray daw kasi is designed to calm, reduce, and heal your acne. Siyempre with continuous use. The next one is yung green light. Ang purpose nito is to control secretion of sebum on your skin. Yung green light has anti-inflammatory. It siya ng mga pores natin. What I'm doing is, ginagamit ko yung red light and then minsan naman yung green light. There are times na meron akong mga pimple before ako magkaroon ng period. Ayan, ginagamit ko naman yung blue light. Meron siyang brush dito. Ayan. And again, ito yung on and off niya. Tapos, ito naman yung intensity ng vibration na gagamitin mo. And this one naman is yung photon light selection switch. So, yung photon lights natin, merong red, blue, and green. Ayan. Then, ito namang part na to is massage wave. Meron siyang hindi ko pa kasi siya nalilinis kasi ginagamit ko talaga siya, kaya ganyan. Merong parang white dyan kasi whenever I put cream sa face ko, ginagamit ko to pang massage. So, nalagay ko din siya dito. I have a chubby face. So, mataba talaga yung mukha ko. Yung cheekbones ko, ayan. So, ganito ko siya ginagamit. Paangat. For the color, it has red and black. Also has a front and back logo of Glamskin Manila and Pristine Skin Buddy. Also has Silicone Motor. So, ang maganda rito is it has 7 gears, tapos siyang low to high intensity frequency vibration, diba? So, pwede kang mamili ng intensity ng vibration na gusto mo whenever you apply, whenever you use it, using your preferred skincare product. It also has wireless charging. So, pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, diba, kung ano yung itsura nung charger nitong Pristine Skin Buddy. That is why it's very convenient and safe. So, has an up to 3 months. So, 3 months siya na standby time for a successful, fully charged Skin Buddy. So, means that you can use it for a long time. Actually, if may travel ka, but ngayon, syempre, hindi naman tayo nakakapag-travel. Pero, yun nga, ang maganda dito is, for example, nawala ng kuryente, no need to worry na baka malubot siya agad-agad. Gamit mo pa rin siya for a long time kasi nga maximum of 3 months yung standby time niya. And you can still pamper yourself. As I've said, waterproof siya. So, meaning you can soak it in the water for 30 minutes. Pero, syempre, ako, hindi ko naman siya sinusoak sa water for 30 minutes para i-try, diba? Nababasa lang siya whenever I use it using my facial wash. Whenever I clean my face. Basically, all you have to do is to wet your face, put a bit of your facial wash sa face, glide upward, and then use a rotational movement cleansing your face. Then, just rinse your face using a dry and clean towel or this Glamskin Manila towel. If you want to learn more about this Pristine Skin Buddy, may kasama naman siyang manual. So, pwede nyo rin namang basahin yung manual na yun. So, if you have questions, you can also check this out, or you can visit www.glamskinmanila for more info, or you can send them a DM on their social media account. Share with you, syempre, do not use Skin Buddy if it's charging. Do not disassemble or modify this product. So, kaya natin siya as is. Kami dyan is away from children. Or use the device or the charger if they are damaged, and only use the charger supplied. So, tayo gumamit ng ibang charger. After a month na ginamit ko to, I can really say na sobrang nakatulong siya. Pimple ko is mabilis nawawala. Like ito, meron akong pimple marks. Ayan, nakita niyo ba? Ayan siya. Or naging glowing din yung face ko using my skincare and with the help of this Pristine Skin Buddy kasi namamassage na talaga yung face ko and nare-relax ako. Pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin sa face mask. So, apply nyo lang yung face mask. Massage nyo lang yung face nyo using this Pristine Skin Buddy kasi sobrang effective niya talaga and relaxing pa siya. So, hindi nyo na kailangan lumabas or mag-alala na hindi kayo makalabas dahil hindi kayo makapag-facial spa or hindi kayo makapag-facial, diba, outside. So, we already have a solution with this Pristine Skin Buddy. That's it, dolls. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested to purchase, you can visit Glamskin Manila. Ilalagay ko siya sa description box. Use my code FOXY for a 20% off. Plus, you can also avail free shipping for a minimum order of 500 pesos. Talaga tong Pristine Skin Buddy kasi sobrang affordable niya for only 899 pesos. Plus, if you'll be using my code, may 20% off ka pa, diba? And experience facial spa at home. And that's it, dolls. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this thumbs up. Share this with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Aby Concepcion, and my Facebook page is Beauty and Skincare by Aby C. And I'll see you on my next vlog.